Hi, I'm Carla Vice, and I'm a business coach at Drive.
Hi, my name is Kevin Reichelt. I'm an owner of Stellar's Garage here in Shelton, Connecticut. We've been with Drive since 2008. Well, I've earned one of Drive's biggest awards with the help of Karla and my entire staff. We achieved Master of Shop Management a while ago, and then we went for Master Elite. And lastly, we did Sustain Master Elite. Master was probably the hardest, or what I feel as though was one of the better accomplishments, because it really pulled everything together I learned from Drive over the years, and I fine-tuned everything. We did our on-site inspection, we did efficiency workshops. There's so many other classes I could name, but the Master Shop Management was when I really think that it's changed my business for the better. Karla and I were just discussing that not too long ago, with the fact that I'm in a different place entirely as far as finances go, as far as how we manage the business. We just have more room to breathe. And I'm able to take corrective action when needed, when things don't go the way I really planned it. Masters of Shop Management achievement for us was a good turning point for our garage.
Well, actually, what always surprises me is what I'm going to say. But what surprises me is, clients refer him all the time. Like, oh, I talked to Kevin about this, and I called Kevin, and Kelvin, I was talking, and at the beginning, I was like, Kevin? What Kevin? Now I know, but he does have a lot of leadership as far as influence other clients and helping other clients, feel confident and make decisions and move through the program.
What I'm excited about this year's expo is seeing all my friends again. There's so many people that I talk to often. We call each other on our cell phones. We see each other and talk to each other at top 20 meetings, whatnot. And it's nice to get away and to be there in person and just focus easier and enjoy everything around us. I mean, there's a lot of new people to Drive, and in the owners networking group, it's really nice to talk to all these people. I haven't met everybody in person, but it is nice. And the expo gives us the opportunity to go and hang out and to get to know each other better. And of course, it's about food, right? We always got to go have dinners and stuff together.
I do too. I mean, I think there's a huge difference from Zoom and looking at each other's faces than, giving a hug or, spending time together and not having to be in a little square or going, did you hear me? Are you hearing me?
Well, I'm looking forward to also the fact that they can't walk away or hang up on me. So I get a latch on to people for hours.
Talking.
Meeting other shop members at the convention in person really has helped me grow. Adam Jadovitz is a personal friend of mine from Lake Elsinore, California, and we met in Glendale, and I love the guy. I consider him a brother. David Bloom from Long Island. I mean, John Starkey. John Starkey came out one time and hung out with me and we had a clam bake at my house. So I would have never done this before without the conventions and getting to know these people really, more in person. And we have a large network. I could go on for days to say, how many shops that I've either stopped by and visited or people have come and stopped by and visited us. My favorite thing to do outside the expo sessions in Vegas is to go and eat and go hang out. It's a nice place to gamble if you like to. It takes me a long time to earn $1, so I don't like them to separate it from me. But I've had some really good luck in Vegas, so I'm not gonna lie. I was just out there a few weeks ago with my wife, and I lost money, $50 overnight, like boom, like that. And I walked away from the slots, and the next day threw a $100 bill in the machine, and I got $67 back. And I hit spin one more time, and I took my winnings and I left. So you got to be careful, but if you like to gamble, that's the place to do it. There's a lot of different casinos to go up the strip. There's a lot of things to do. If people are going there and they haven't checked out the Hoover Dam, that's something that is awesome to do. We were at Red Rocks years ago, right? That was a convention center there, and we were able to go and tour the area. So there's a lot of fun things to do in Vegas. I particularly spend the last time I didn't leave the Westgate. I kind of hung out and I just networked with other shop owners. And again, that's the whole thing. That's the whole reason I'm going, is so I can meet a lot of these people that I've never met before. And if you're seeing this and you're hearing this and you see me and recognize me, please come up to me and say so, and then we'll talk. If a shop owner is having doubts or second thoughts about getting to the expo, I would say go. If somebody out there is listening and they don't believe me, what I'm going to say, I could show you that my statistics, my stats have historically improved after coming back from the expo. Now, if you got to close your shop or, take a couple days off to do that, yeah, your stats are going to drop. But what you're going to get is a rebound effect, because you're going to come back with more ideas and vim and vigor to run your business a little bit more proficient or efficient. So if you're on the fence about it, I would definitely do it.
We have this bookkeeping thing with Chris. We never had anything having to do with bookkeeping. And I think it's very exciting, because I've had a lot of people ask about help with bookkeeping and questions with QuickBooks, and how can we do QuickBooks, and what about QuickBooks, and how do I do this in QuickBooks and this report? And I think that's pretty exciting for me, because it handles a big area of questions that we never had a resource. So
some fun things that have happened at the expo is my friend John Starkey. He was from the New England area, and he gets really mad at me because if you're friends with me on Facebook, you see I post food, and I post more food than anything else. And we were out in Texas at Fort Worth, and he's like, I'm getting steamer clams delivered. So he ordered steamer clams in Rhode Island, and Deanna Coles was there, and we were all dressed in our drive shirts. We had our awards, and we're at this park downtown, this water park downtown Fort Worth, cooking steamers outside. He actually went and he bought all the stuff at Walmart to do so. It was just crazy to think that, yeah, let's cook steamers and again, it's in the middle of the summer, right? It had to be 100, 110 degrees out. And we just get together and cook steamers. Another fun time, this was one I don't remember, in California, but this is a convention that we all got together. There's Drive people, Bobby Camisa and his wife, Kathy, Bertha and Adam Jadovitz from Lake Elsinore, California. These are some of the things I really look forward to. And it's always fun, to network with these people. But here's the other convention we were at in Fort Worth. We all decided to go out for barbecue. You may recognize some people there. We went from Fort Worth to Dallas, and we had a really great time.